everybody, this is Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and this is a new video of the project Artist vs Brand, project about challenging brands and their most popular printed clothes. And in this video I'm challenging brand Versace and the printed denim jacket, the one which Dua Lipa wore to the Brit Awards, and I will create hand-painted artistic version of it. So let's begin! First I create gradient effect at the bottom of the jacket, because Versace jacket has a blue stripe at the bottom, but my jacket will be more artistic. Then I add red colors to the bottom to make it look even more beautiful. And about prices, price of the jacket I'm painting on is about $50 and price of the Versace jacket is about 1,300 euro. And I'm always saying that you don't need to buy expensive clothes to paint on, because with fabric paints you can turn the cheapest clothes into unique designer pieces of wear. There are a lot of shells and stars on the Versace jacket, but I will paint not only shells and stars but also some different deep sea creatures. And this jacket design is one of the most complicated designs I've ever created, because it has a lot of details and I will spend a lot of time painting all these details on this jacket. And now I will paint symmetrically the shells and stars on the left side of the jacket. Now I will create a turquoise color gradient on the sleeves of my jacket to make my jacket look like a Versace jacket, but a more artistic version of it. And now I will decorate my sleeves with stars. On the back of the jacket, I decided to create something absolutely different than Versace jacket has. A Versace jacket has just some shells on the back of the jacket, so I decided to paint a crab. And I think crab will look absolutely amazing on the jacket. Also, I paint the background to make the design look more spectacular. And I decorate the top of the jacket with shell and stars. And the painting is finished. Write in your thoughts about this denim jacket in the comments below, and I hope one day I will see Dua Lipa wearing jacket hand painted by me. And if you want to learn more about painting on clothes, about painting process, about fabric paints I use, you can watch my educational videos. I put the links in the description. And stay tuned, because many videos like this are coming soon. See you, bye bye!